Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight, this is for you Calculus 1 folks. We're going to take the derivative of this function to see if we can get back to what the Calculus 2 team just calculated. So let's get after it. Okay, we're going to pull the 2/9 to the outside. So I have 2/9 times the derivative of all these other things here. So we have sine 3x cubed. Derivative of a constant is 0, so we'll throw that out. So derivative with respect to x of this. Now, in the chain rule, we have an outside function. We're going to take the derivative of that. So in this case, it's to the third power. We'll have it to the n. And then there's an inside function. So we're going to take the derivative of the outside function first, which is going to be n times this to the n minus 1 times the derivative then of the inside function. But there's something else going on inside there also. So we're going to have another derivative of that, what's on the inside, which is this guy right here. The inside, I guess. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So we have 2/9 times the derivative of the outside function, bring the 3 down, times what's on the inside to the 3 minus 1. Okay. All right, now we've finished with this one. Now let's go with the derivative of what's on the inside. The derivative of sine 3x is cosine 3x. Okay, that's this guy. Now, what's the derivative of this one right here? Derivative of 3x is 3 dx. Whew. All right, what does that give us here? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, so these cancel. So I'm left with 2 sine 3x squared cosine 3x dx. Well, this would be sine 3x times sine 3x, right? So that's sine 3x times sine 3x times cosine 3x dx. All right, I'm going to pull one of these sine 3x's to the side here. Oh, yeah, sine 3x. Almost confused myself, sorry. All right, that leaves me 2. I pulled this one right here over there. That leaves me 2 sine 3x times cosine 3x dx. Now, this one here, if I have, should be right there, 2 times sine of some angle, cosine of the same angle, that is the definition of sine of twice the angle. So twice 3x is what? 6x. So I have sine 3x times sine 6x dx. Voila. Is that what I started with? Sine 3x, sine 6x dx. Yes, it is. So our Calculus 2 guys were correct, and we proved that with the Calculus 1 derivative. Okay, guys, keep studying that chain rule. It's important. Why are we doing this? Together, we're trying to build a better tomorrow through math. Keep studying. Talk to you next time. Thanks.